This is Tajamuladil. Today I'm super excited to share a piece of technology that could change how you drive forever. If you are like me and spend much time on the road, you don't want to miss this. I'm talking about Azdome M660 4-channel 4K dash camera. I'm giving you 8 compelling reasons why you need this dash camera, and after listening this, you will wonder how you draw without it. Now let's get the video footage. The first time you see the footage from Azdome M660, you will be blown away. With 4K resolution, every detail is captured in crystal clarity, whether it's the license plate of any car or the beautiful sunset as you drive home. This dash cam capture it all in vivid detail, and in moment of chaos, every bit of detail counts. Let's talk about the coverage. The M660 comes with the 4 channel. Yes, 4. The traditional dash cam capture only front of you, but this beauty monitors the front, rear and sides of your vehicle. Imagine the peace of mind of knowing that every angle is covered, whether you are in a busy parking lot or cruising down the highway. Accidents can happen in the blink of an eye, and having that extra coverage might just save you thousands in insurance claims. Next up are the built-in GPS and G sensors. These features sounds technical, but they are incredibly useful. GPS allow you to track your route efficiently in case of any incident. The G sensor automatically saves the footage, protected it from overwriting. This combination means that you are not only documenting your journey but also gathering undeniable evidence should anything go wrong. It's like having a personal bodyguard on your road trips. Plus, the GPS logs your route and speed, which can be vital in insurance claim of the traffic disputes. Azdome offers a GPS player. By this, you can play front and rear dash camera videos, and it even gives you the map location and the speed of your car. Now let's be real, a lot of driving happens after dark. The M60 shines bright even in the low light conditions thanks to its advanced night vision technology. It uses high performance sensors to provide clear footage at night, ensuring you stay protected 24 by 7. No more worry about what's happened when the sun goes down. Turns night into day. Well, not literally, but its night vision is so good, you will start wondering if you have suddenly developed superpowers. Now, time to show you the installation process. The Azdome M660 is super easy to install. You don't have to be tech whiz to set this up. I know you might be thinking, what's the cost, right? Its buying price is $168 and I'm sharing a 30% discount code here. The cool thing is that it's super affordable. Oh, what it offers. You are getting top-notch technology without needing to rob a bank. Also, I'm showing you all the settings to set up smoothly. With a user-friendly interface and straightforward instructions, you can have it up and running in no time. Plus, with the sleek design, it integrates perfectly into any vehicle without being an eyesore. Last but not the least, let's get a high tech for a second. The M660 connects to your smartphone. You can easily connect the dash camera to your smartphone to view and download your recordings. With loop recording, driver can rest assured that dash camera is constantly capturing footage even during long drives. I can view the recorded footage. Also, you can view the live footages from it and even make adjustment right from your smartphone without having to pull over. It's super convenient for those of us who are constantly on the go. So there you have it, guys. Those are my top 8 reasons why the Azdome M660 4-channel dash camera should be in your car today. With top-notch coverage, stunning video footages, advanced night vision, built-in GPS, and easy installation. It offers everything you need for a worry-free driving experience. The Azdome M660 buying price is $168, and I'm sharing a 30% discount code here. Don't forget you can find the buying links in the video description. If this video is helpful and you are looking for a smartphone gimbal, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.